walking through the cold. Everything feels still, like a frozen world, till I found your heart. Never thought I'd find someone who could see through the frost outside into all of me. When the wind was getting stronger, you pulled me closer, closer, and I knew right then and there. Ooh, now winter brought me to your warmth, like it knew just what I needed. Every breath feels like home now, in the safety of your arms. Rain against the glass, but I'm safe in here, with your gentle touch, making time stand still. Every little storm leads me back to you, like the falling snow always finds its way. When the cold world tries to break us, you hold me closer, closer. I know that we'll be fine. Winter brought me to your warmth, like it knew just what I needed. Every breath feels like home now, in the safety of your arms. Like a scarf around my shoulders, your love protects and holds me. Through every season change, you remain the shades that brought me to your warmth, like you knew just what I needed. Every breath feels like home now, in the safety of your arms. Morning coffee turns cold, your side of the bed still warm. Pictures on my phone, trying not to scroll too far. Each breath gets easier, for my hands still shake when I see your name appear on messages I can't erase. The way you hold on tight, like anchors in the storm. The ships weren't meant to stay forever at the shore. I love you enough to let you go, even when my heart says no. Breaking what we built so slow, 'cause I love you enough to let you go. Remember last July, dancing through the rain, your jacket on my shoulders, promises we made. Now autumn leaves are falling. moving on. These walls hold on memories, but they can't keep us strong. The truth hits like waves against my window pane. Some loves are meant to last beyond the seasons change. I love you enough to let you go. When the rain starts falling down and the wind picks up tonight, I see you pulling close to me, trying to make everything alright. I wrap my warmth around you now, like a blanket soft and strong. In this moment I can feel where you and I belong. I'll be your shelter from the storm. Just stay here in my arms till morning comes. I'll be your shelter from the storm. Your presence I'll find peace, for nothing in comes. There's a chill out in the air, but your smile brings so much light. Every worry fades away when I hold you here so tight. Simple moments mean the most. When the world feels cold outside, in your presence I find peace that nothing else provides. I'll be your shelter from the storm. Just stay here in my arms till morning comes. I'll be your shelter upon the storm. In your presence I'll find peace till nothing comes. Sometimes life gets heavy and the rain won't seem to end, but I promise you this moment is where healing can begin. Like the quiet rainfall, when everything feels new. I'll keep giving you this comfort, it's the least that I can do. And no matter what tomorrow brings, through every passing day, I'll be right beside you, we'll find a way. I'll be your shelter from the sun.